In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to get more confidence with your sewing. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Every single Wednesday, I upload videos on how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. So, how do we get more confidence with our sewing abilities? Well, simple. Just have more confidence. There we go. Problem solved. Bye. Only joking. Stay around. So, I am going to give you 3 tips. Number 1, I would highly recommend that you go and have some lessons. Go to your local sewing store. Every single sewing store has sewing lessons, or at least most of them do. So not only do you learn whatever it is that you've gone to the class for, like how to install a zipper, how to make a bag or a quilt, whatever you went to the sewing class for, you will find that your peers are more or less at the same sort of level as you, and they struggle as much as what you do. So when you're in a class with other people, you can now see that your level is around about the same as everybody else's. Now, the one thing that I found with sewing is when I was trying to teach myself like over YouTube, I was isolating myself and I was getting very, very frustrated. However, when you're in a group setting, now I'm not saying that you can't sew, you may be an intermediate sewer, there's also classes for that. So I want you to go to a sewing class and you will see that other people struggle with certain things that maybe you don't, and maybe you can help them. And you may even get some connections, some new sewing friends. Now that's an even added benefit, isn't it? So tip number 1 would be to go to a sewing class. Tip number 2 would be, here we go, it's going to sound really obvious, but you have to practice. Remember what we say, practice makes perfect, and consistency is key. So the more we practice, the better we actually become at our skills. Because if you go to your sewing class from tip number 1, but you're not actually using that on a daily basis, then guess what? It's going to literally go out of your head. Everybody has like 15 minutes in their day. Like, please practice at least 15 minutes every single day. What you're going to find is you've sat there in your room already and 15 minutes is going to pass, and then before you know it, it's like 2 hours of like practice that you've got in. So don't forget, you've invested very highly in these machines. Please, please use them. Don't just use them every 2 weeks. Use them every single day. Okay, tip number 3. Well, that would like 6, wouldn't it? Tip number 3 is choose an easy pattern to begin with. Don't choose a ball gown. Don't choose a corset. Choose a really simple, easy tote bag, a t-shirt, a block square quilt, something incredibly easy so you're learning the basics of sewing. Because the more challenging the pattern, the more harder it's going to be. So please take it easy on yourself and get something super, super easy to begin with, and you won't get that frustrated. And plus it's going to be so much quick to get an instant gratification of a very easy sewing project. So what do you think of my 3 confidence boosters for sewing? It was going to lessons, practice, and choosing easy patterns to begin with. Let me know in them comments down below, because I love you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button so people like you can find me, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.